Whispers of the Aetherial Observatory echo through time, a place where stars whisper secrets. Let's embark on a journey to unveil its celestial mysteries. Legends speak of an observatory hidden amidst shifting sands, a gateway to cosmic understanding. Its location remains a mystery, veiled in ancient riddles. The key to unlocking the Aetherial Observatory lies within forgotten constellations and celestial maps. The stars themselves guard its entrance. As the chamber opens, a blinding light reveals a pathway to the stars. The Aetherial Observatory awaits, shimmering with cosmic energy. Within the observatory's walls, celestial harmonies resonate, unlocking secrets of the universe. Time and space intertwine, revealing profound truths. The observatory's lenses focus on distant worlds, unveiling nebulae and galaxies unknown to humankind. New stars are born before their eyes. The secrets of dark matter and energy are revealed, reshaping our understanding of the cosmos. The universe's hidden architecture comes into view. Ancient prophecies foretold the observatory's rediscovery, a sign of humanity's readiness to embrace cosmic knowledge. The time has come. Lara and Ben realize the observatory is more than a scientific instrument, it is a key to unlocking humanity's potential. The future is written in the stars. They activate the observatory's core, sending a wave of energy across the cosmos. A beacon of knowledge shines for all sentient life. Worlds respond to the beacon, sharing their wisdom and technology. An intergalactic network of understanding begins to form. Humanity joins the cosmic conversation, offering its unique perspective and creativity. A new era of cooperation dawns. The Aetherial Observatory becomes a symbol of hope, inspiring generations to reach for the stars. The quest for knowledge knows no bounds. New observatories are built across the globe, each connected to the Aetherial Observatory's network. The universe becomes our classroom. Humanity develops faster than light travel, opening up the galaxy for exploration. The age of interstellar discovery begins. Explorers encounter new forms of life, each with its own unique story and wisdom. The universe is teeming with diversity. Challenges arise as humanity confronts ethical dilemmas and cultural clashes. The need for understanding and empathy becomes paramount. Through collaboration and compromise, humanity learns to navigate the complexities of intergalactic relations. A new era of peace and prosperity begins.